Hey guys, Rob Alderman here, and I've got a special announcement. I've teamed up with Vino at 60 Second Cocktails to issue a challenge to the whole YouTube cocktail community to make a Christmas martini. This is Christmas Martini 2020. Okay, the challenge is super simple, guys. We've only got 3 rules. 1, make it in a martini glass. 2, make it festive. And 3, use the hashtag Christmas Martini 2020. Just put it at the bottom of the video description. YouTube will do the rest. Okay, there's no judging, there's no winners, no losers. The point is to spread some cheer and create a huge playlist of awesome Christmas martini recipes to share with friends and family. So Vino and I are calling out every channel, big or small. Tipsy Bartender, How to Drink, Steve the Bartender, Cocktail Chemistry, The Educated Barfly, Vlad Slick Bartender, Common Men Cocktails, Behind the Bar with Cara Devine, Steve the Barman, Truffles on the Rocks, Cocktail Time with Kevin Koss, Booze on the Rocks, Just Shake or Stir, Let's Talk Drinks, Angry Cocktails, Alchemix, Never Empty Bottle, Anders Ericsson, Liquid Memoir, Cocktails with Lele, TK's Bar, It's All About the Cocktail, The Tribal Bar Guy, Caribbean Andy, One Drink, Hey Bartender, The Home Bartender with Ann Gobelt, PJ's Cocktails, Whiskey Sugar Bitters, Uncle Pete's Cocktail Shop, Cocktail Drinky Canava, Weekend Bartender, The Drinking Guys, Cocktail Queen of Mount Tambourine, Bar Talkin' Cocktails, and Thirsty Bartender. And if we forgot any of you, I'm sorry, but you can still join the challenge. So I can't wait to see what everyone comes up with, and there's no rush, guys, just, get it out before Christmas. I'll be publishing my own entry to the challenge on December 15th. And if you're not a YouTuber, you can still enter the challenge via Instagram. Just post your cocktail and use the hashtag. Also, if you want to add some of that cool hashtag animation, I've made some video files available, so just a link will be in the description if you want to download any of those graphics or videos. Well, that's it for me. My regularly scheduled cocktail video will release tomorrow instead, so go ahead and check out Vino's challenge video as well, and good luck, and let the holiday drink season begin. Cheers, guys.